Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my video. I'm so much happy that you're here watching my video today, and I'm here to also tell you that I'm very much happy with what you're seeing right now. This is a tool that I built out of love, a tool that I built because I know the stress technical writers go through to document OpenAPI spec file. So I decided to create this tool, and I will also give appreciation. I can't remember his name, but I think someone like a guy that created a tool like this in the past that I used, but his own wasn't doesn't have much features like mine do. I think his own was more about converting a Postman collection to an OpenAPI spec file. So you make all your changes there, which misses out some other kind of ingredients, some other kind of features that needs to be in your OpenAPI spec file. So out of that, I used that tool. I think it helped me a lot of times. But I decided to create something that will be much better, and it's also free for everybody to use because I've been an open source maintainer for a long time, and open source has also helped me in several ways. So I decided to create this tool, make it free and open for everybody to use and learn from. So I'll just go straight down to talk about the features that we have here. So here you can create a new collection just like you have on Postman. Create a new collection, as many as you want, and you can also have it saved on your browser. So you have it saved even if you refresh your system, refresh your browser, you still have it saved. So you can also clear all, delete all of them because it's been saved in your browser. So I don't want to have like a database where it will have, a little bit more complicated, where I will start, you know what I mean. So I decided to do something simple, and I will keep improving it. So if you have any comment, if you have any feature that you think that needs to be on this project, then feel free to drop it in the comment section. So like I said, you can add a new collection and you can add a new request as you keep adding. So let's just work with the free API. So this is kudos to the JSON placeholder team for doing this. This has been helping people learning API for a long time. All right, so so we have this one. So this is a get method. So before then, before I click on the send button, so you can add a category, and you can also give your category a description, and also give it a summary, give it a description, which will also reflect on your Swagger. And you can add an authorization if you have one, Biara token, API key, basic auth. You can add a path parameter, the key, the value, also add description. Then you can add if it's required or not, so people know if it's required or not. So you can add header, you can also add code parameter, same thing. And you can also add a response. So when you click your send, it automatically saves your response, but you can add other responses that you don't have. For example, you want to add an error message, bad request, so that users will know what bad request will be, 401, 403 up to 503. Then you can also add the content type, description, and add the response in a JSON format. So with this, you click on send, and automatically you have it here. So you have it as post for the category, and you have your endpoint here. So you see you have it in a JSON format automatically. You also have this in a JSON format and YAML file. So with this, you can copy this in either of these formats, JSON or YAML file, or you can download in any format you want when you're done with everything. So you can just download it either of the formats. You can also import if you want to import one. So you can import here, and you can also import with a Postman. So I made it possible that you can import an OpenAPI spec file, and you can also import a Postman collection. Then you would now convert it to an OpenAPI spec file, making it much easier. So here you have your day 19, and you can view in Swagger. So you use Swagger format for it, and you can also test it here. So you see everything, you can also test it here. So I created this to make life easy for technical writers. So let us add one more to see how it will arrange that. So we have the comment. So it's also a get, so you can see the methods, you get the post. Now when you click on post, you'll be able to see that you can add your raw JSON, or you can click on form to now add the form. So you add the field, you add the type, you add the value, you add the description, and you check if it is required or not, you know, for the post. You do for the get, you do for patch, you do for delete, and this is for get. So since it's comment, we are going to create to comment category. So you add the summary, you also add the description. Then you click on send, and you have it here, you have it here. You click to view, you have the category post, you have the category comments. So you can keep adding as much as you want. When you're done, you can see telling you that we have 2 endpoints. So when you're done, you can copy either of the formats. Like I said, you can view this, and if you're okay with what you're seeing, then you can download this. Then let's say you want to probably delete everything, because let me refresh, you still have it here. So if you want to delete everything, you can delete them one after the other, or you can delete everything all together. So I created this tool, this OpenAPI Spec generator, to make it easier for my fellow technical writers and myself, because I use this tool to, you know, document OpenAPI Spec file, because it's quite difficult for people to keep up with that using. Imagine trying to edit your raw JSON file or YAML file, you know, just one space mistake you make and that's it. So, but a tool like this will make it easier for you to, you know, edit, for you to modify, and for you to create. So, and the tool is not perfect, it's still at an early stage, so it's open for everybody to come help out. So we have a perfect tool that would help us in our day-to-day job. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so much happy having you watch this video.